Transformations from past to present, from old to new, altering landscapes, changing perspectives, renewing points of view, and bringing synergy and passion in nurturing holistic servant leaders. Since 1974, San Pedro National High School has undergone not only physical transformations, but meaningful measures that have proven its pursuit and vision of quality education. Our school continues to define its very shape through exploring its potential, preparing itself to meet the hopes and dreams of the diverse learners, and realizing the needs of the entire academic community. And at this precious moment, San Pedro National High School is going digital. Our school proudly presents the Spnhs Portal. Let us now take a quick tour. Upon accessing the portal, you shall see the homepage of the website, in which recent announcements and school activities are posted to keep you up to date. In the About section lies the history of San Pedro National High School, the message of the principal, and SPNHS mission, vision, and core values. To know more about the admission process and procedures, information is embedded in the admission section of the portal. Users are provided with 2 languages to read the page, either in English or Tagalog. Right after choosing the preferred language, enrollment procedures and requirements are listed for reference. Should you want to know more about the current academic schedule of the school, names, and number of sections, these can be found in the academic page. To supplement student learning, self-learning modules are made available for you. Select the grade level you are in, and every SLM on each subject can be downloaded in just 1 click. Faculty members and staff of SPNHS are distinguished practitioners in the field of education. Their commitment to excellence is evident in active professional careers enhanced by strong academic preparations. The faculty members and staff of San Pedro National High School have proven themselves to possess values and attitudes reflecting the depth mission, vision, and core values, which includes a sense of cooperativeness and responsibility. The faculty member's profile is listed here. With SPNHS innovative and cutting-edge portal, we break new grounds in education, bringing synergy and passion in nurturing holistic servant leaders. This is San Pedro National High School.